Hello, it's John, the voiceover. The video was taken by Joanna and this video was created on the 28th of February. Here we have an 11,000 euro house in the village Voditsa, which is 12 minutes from Popovo. You can see it needs a bit of a clean up, but the house itself is very good. There's 4 rooms upstairs and a storage room, which I'll show you shortly. There's 2 basements, 1,300 square meters of land. There's water and electricity to the property. Okay, so here we go. You can see you're amongst the village, you're not on the outside, and there's a beautiful tarmac road just outside your front door. Upstairs, a small balcony there. Okay, so you enter into a wide corridor, and right in front of you that's a wall. Behind there is a small room. You would turn that into a bathroom ordinarily. Okay, room number 1, large double room, ideal bedroom. You can't see much of the walls because they've got wallpaper on. Room number 2, another large room. There's still old belongings all over the house. So here you can see where the flue goes up through the roof. There's a problem with the chimneys. Other than that, I don't think there's any other leaks in the roof. Room number 4, exactly the same situation. Roof damage due to the ceiling. And this is the small storage room I was telling you about that you would probably turn into a bathroom on the main floor. If you can see past all the rubbish that's still in the property, it's a nice property. There's also an annex. This is the second basement. Both basements could, with a little bit of work, be turned into living accommodation. Beautiful and cold in the summer. This is where the Bulgarians would normally store their food. The beams are oak. Now the garden doesn't look its best because of the time of year. Now the annex. This is a corridor in the annex. This is one room which was once a kitchen. And there's also an old bathroom at the end. Now if you look in front of you, the wall is subsiding on the corner. That's no problem. It's got nothing to do with the main house and it's easily repairable. So it's 4 large rooms upstairs, a storage room which could be a bathroom, wide corridor, annex with 1 room and an old bathroom, 2 basements and some small outbuildings in the garden. Just beyond this gate there's another part of the garden with an outside toilet. So when this finishes, I've actually put a happy song that I made for Bulgaria at the end. So if you don't want to listen to it, you should turn off now. If you do want to listen to it, I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.
Time to start life the right way. Bulgaria, smile every day. Greet the people as they go on their way. All my friends and all their wives seem so happy with their lives. Me, I don't know what to do. Feel like I'm always coming down with the flu. Time to start life the right way. Bulgaria, smile every day. Greet the people as they go on their way. Yeah, yeah. Time to go out and plant the seeds. Watch them grow among the weeds. Dig my heels into the dirt. Bend my back until it hurts. So always used to feel so tired. Now I feel so damn inspired. And I've still got a ways to go, but at least I know